Are you tired of hearing about Bitcoin and Ethereum, feeling like you missed the boat on those astronomical gains? Do you find yourself scouring charts, looking for that hidden gem, that diamond in the rough, the next 100x opportunity that could transform your portfolio? If so, you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into the exciting, and sometimes volatile, world of low-cap cryptocurrencies available right on Newton, Canada's popular crypto exchange. Now, before we jump into specific coins, let's set the stage. What exactly is a low-cap coin, and why should you even care? In the world of crypto, market capitalization is calculated by multiplying the current price of a single coin by the total number of coins in circulation. So, a low-cap coin simply means a cryptocurrency project with a relatively small market capitalization, typically under a few $100 million, and often significantly less. Think of it as investing in a promising startup rather than a multi-billion-dollar corporation. The allure of low-cap coins is simple: explosive growth potential. When a project is small, even a modest increase in adoption or development can lead to substantial price appreciation. A $10 million market cap coin that doubles in value becomes a $20 million market cap coin, which is a 100% gain. For a $10 billion market cap coin to achieve the same 100% gain, it needs to absorb an additional $10 billion in capital, which is a far more challenging feat. This inherent leverage is what makes low-cap coins so attractive to risk-tolerant investors seeking outsized returns. However, with great potential comes great risk. Low-cap coins are often more volatile, less liquid, and generally less established than their larger counterparts. They can be prone to wild price swings, and some projects might even fail entirely. This isn't a space for the faint of heart or for those who can't afford to lose their initial investment. It demands thorough research, a strong understanding of market dynamics, and a disciplined approach. And that's precisely why we're focusing on Newton. As a Canadian exchange, Newton offers a curated selection of cryptocurrencies, often prioritizing projects with some level of legitimacy and a growing user base within the Canadian market. While they might not list every single microcap coin out there, their selection still provides excellent opportunities within the low-cap spectrum, but with an added layer of accessibility and regulatory compliance for Canadian users. This isn't financial advice, and you should always do your own due diligence. But what I'm sharing today is based on current market trends, project developments, and the general sentiment around these assets. So, how do we identify promising low-cap coins on Newton? It's not just about picking a random coin with a small market cap. We need a framework, a set of criteria to filter out the noise and focus on projects with real potential. Here are some key factors I consider. First, utility and use case. Does the coin solve a real problem? Does it have a clear purpose within the blockchain ecosystem or the broader economy? A low-cap coin without a compelling use case is essentially a speculative bet with no fundamental value. We're looking for projects that offer innovative solutions, whether it's in decentralized finance, DeFi, gaming, NFTs, supply chain management, or something else entirely. Second, team and development. Who is behind the project? Do they have a proven track record in the crypto space or relevant industries? Is the development active and transparent? A strong, experienced team with a clear roadmap and consistent updates instills confidence. Look for regular code commits on GitHub, active social media presence, and clear communication from the developers. Third, community and adoption. Is there a vibrant and engaged community supporting the project? Are users actively utilizing the protocol or token? A growing community and increasing adoption are strong indicators of a project's long-term viability. This can be harder to quantify for true low-caps, but social media sentiment, forum discussions, and on-chain activity can offer clues. Fourth, tokenomics. What is the supply of the coin? How is it distributed? Is there a clear vesting schedule for team tokens to prevent massive sell-offs? Inflationary tokenomics can dilute your investment, while well-designed tokenomics can incentivize holding and participation. Look for transparent supply schedules and clear explanations of how the token creates value within its ecosystem. Fifth, liquidity. While low-cap coins inherently have lower liquidity than large-cap assets, you still want enough liquidity to be able to enter and exit positions without significant slippage. On Newton, this is often less of a concern than on smaller, less regulated exchanges, but it's still something to be aware of. Now, with those criteria in mind, let's explore some of the low-cap coins on Newton that are generating buzz and show promising signs for the remainder of 2025 and beyond. Remember, the crypto market is dynamic. Prices fluctuate, and new information emerges constantly. This is a snapshot of promising opportunities right now. Always stay updated with the latest news and developments for any project you invest in. 1. Ergo, AERGO. Ergo is a fascinating project focusing on enterprise-grade blockchain solutions. While its market cap has seen some volatility, it consistently appears on lists of promising low-cap gems. What makes Ergo stand out? It's designed to allow businesses and developers to easily build and deploy blockchain applications with high performance and scalability. Think of it as a bridge between traditional IT systems and blockchain technology. Their core strength lies in their strong partnerships, particularly with Blocko, a well-established blockchain technology company in South Korea. This enterprise-focused approach gives Ergo a unique position, as real-world business adoption is a significant driver for long-term value. Unlike many speculative projects, Ergo is building solutions for tangible business problems, such as supply chain management and digital identity. The dual token model, with AERGO for utility and governance, and an upcoming staking mechanism, further strengthens its appeal. Keep an eye on any announcements regarding new enterprise partnerships or significant dApp deployments on their chain. 2. Golem, GLM. Golem is a veteran in the decentralized computing space, but it often flies under the radar compared to newer projects. With a market cap in the hundreds of millions, it's a solid low-cap contender. Golem's vision is to create a global supercomputer by allowing users to rent out their unused CPU and GPU power to others for complex computational tasks like scientific simulations, rendering, and machine learning. In an increasingly AI-driven world, the demand for decentralized compute power is only going to grow. Golem has been consistently developing its platform, and its longevity in the space speaks to its resilience. While it might not have the flashy marketing of some newer coins, its fundamental utility and clear use case make it a compelling investment. The recent resurgence of interest in decentralized AI narratives has given GLM new momentum, and as the decentralized compute sector matures, Golem is well positioned to capture a significant share of that market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.